64 years and has experience of yoga for 27 years. Now, I hand over to Colonel Ranjit for a capsule of warm-up yoga.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Morning, sir.
Welcome to Lakeview Golf Course. And I'm sure you're going to have a very good golfing day today. Now, I'm 90 years. I am playing golf for the last 54 years and doing yoga for the last 27 years. I came into yoga because I was advised two surgeries. Date was fixed and I had come after the pre-anesthetic check. I had to be admitted the next day. So I consulted my doctor friend, Dr. Ghosh, my neighbor in Shalimar Bagh, and he examined the documents. He said, दादा सर्जरी की इमरजेंसी नहीं है, आप योगा ट्राई करो, शायद रिलीफ मिल जाएगी. तो मैंने तो अगले दिन से ही योगा की क्लास ज्वाइन कर ली और धीरे धीरे दो चमत्कार होने लगे. पहला, an urge to change the lifestyle became very strong. Incentive was both the diseases were getting better. In 6 to 7 months' time, I became a yoga sadhak. I became pure vegetarian, no alcohol, no smoking, and both the surgeries were avoided. So far, I'm absolutely fine. I drive my own car. I've been benefited from this for a long time, and if you cost my medical expenses in the last 27 years will be very, very negligible. Whatever they are because of the earlier lifestyle. So I'm absolutely fine now, and I do my yoga, and yoga keeps me very fit. Small exercises. You see, now you see here, my flexibility level before going to the golf course and warming up is this, 1.5 to 2 feet. This side also 1.5 to 2 feet. This in the yogic language we call it the Akash Shakti. So at the moment there is no Akash Shakti in me to just close this gap further. But you'll see these small yogic exercises, they are so powerful within themselves. They've got the capacity to create this Akash Shakti within a few minutes time, and you'll see how this gap can be closed. The whole body upward becomes very supple. Okay, we'll start and things with a little deep breathing. Okay. Slowly, hands, take forward, exhale, सांस भरते हुए नीचे, सांस छोड़ते हुए बीच में, सांस भरते हुए ऊपर, सांस छोड़ते हुए बीच में, सांस भरते हुए साइडवेज, सांस छोड़ते हुए बीच में, सांस भरते हुए इंसर, सांस छोड़ते हुए मुट्ठी बांध, मुट्ठी को मुट्ठी बांध, सांस भरते हुए नीचे, सांस भरते हुए छोड़ बीच में, सांस भरते हुए ऊपर, सांस भरते हुए बीच में, सांस भरते हुए साइडवेज, सांस भरते हुए छोड़ते हुए बीच में, and अंदर इसी तरह like to carry on. Okay. मुट्ठी बांध, मुट्ठी खोलो, मुट्ठी बांध, rotation, clockwise, rule of two, twice, anti-clockwise. पंजा, one, सांस भरते, rotation, clockwise, anti-clockwise. One episode of this is finished. Repeat this exercise from the sides. सांस भरते हुए नीचे, सांस छोड़ते हुए बीच में, सांस भरते हुए ऊपर, सांस छोड़ते हुए बीच में, सांस भरते हुए पीछे, सांस छोड़ते हुए बीच में, सांस भरते हुए आगे, सांस छोड़ते हुए बीच में। मुट्ठी बांध, मुट्ठी खोलो, मुट्ठी बांध, नीचे सांस भरते हुए बीच में, ऊपर बीच में, पीछे बीच में, आगे बीच में। मुट्ठी बांध, मुट्ठी खोलो, रोटेशन clockwise, anti-clockwise. Punch up. Rotation clockwise, anti-clockwise. Rotation clockwise, anti-clockwise. Relax. सांस भरते हुए, no force, no jerk, no speed. Lord Buddha's middle path. Rule of two. Opposite, सांस भरते हुए ऊपर छोड़ो, सांस भरते हुए रोटेशन ऊपर छोड़ो, सांस भरते हुए बाहर, सांस छोड़ते हुए अंदर, सांस भरते हुए बाहर, सांस छोड़ते हुए बीच में, सांस भरते हुए बाहर, अंदर, बाहर, अंदर, सांस भरते, रिलैक्स. There are 9 episodes, 3 are over. You see how the suppleness of the body is increasing? All these small joints from here upward, there are thousands of small joints. And you find the body is absolutely becoming supple. Now, hold your hands. सांस भरते हुए पीछे, सांस छोड़ते हुए आगे, सांस भरते हुए पीछे, सांस छोड़ते हुए आगे. Just सांस भरते हुए पीछे, सांस छोड़ते हुए आगे. Just use 65 to 70% of your strength of the body. Sideways सांस भरते हुए, सांस छोड़ते हुए ऊपर, sideways ऊपर, पीछे. You see how all the cervical area, your shoulder stiffness and all those things become absolutely supple. Relax. Jogging. Just use 65 to 70% of your strength. Okay. Neck and head exercise. सांस भरते हुए ऊपर in opposite directions. ऊपर, नीचे, ऊपर, नीचे. Sideways, 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 sideways. सांस भरते हुए नीचे, सांस छोड़ते ऊपर, पीछे. So all the small joints and skulls, they have been opened up with this. Relax. Okay, neck. सांस भरते हुए धीरे धीरे पीछे. No speed, no jerk, no force. Just medium, मध्यम मार्ग. सांस छोड़ते हुए आगे, सांस भरते हुए धीरे 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 धीरे, सांस छोड़ते हुए आगे, sideways, सांस भरते हुए other side, सांस भरते हुए बीच में. Rotation, slow motion, slow motion. If you have time, do each exercise twice. Otherwise, the rule of one. Relax. छोड़ते हुए आगे. Just put it 2 inches up. This is the fulcrum. Let the spine come this way. Little more up. This grip, Srapasana grip. Just pull your shoulders down straight. Up, छोड़ दो. Is the last episode. You just take your hand wherever you took in the standing position. Just be comfortable. Right? Slowly go down and सांस भरते हुए धीरे धीरे नेक को पीछे लाओ. धीरे धीरे जितना comfortably you can do. Not more than 60 to 65% of your total strength. Feel comfortable. No excessive stress. सांस छोड़ते हुए बीच में, सांस भरते हुए साइडवेज, धीरे धीरे सांस छोड़ते हुए बीच में, सांस भरते हुए राइट, सांस छोड़ते हुए बीच में. इसी तरह ही बाएं. Slowly. No force, no jerk, no speed. Rotation. Now, बैठ जाओ. Now from here upward, all the small joints which are inside, they have also been opened up, and so-called Akash Shakti, वो बूंद बूंद उसकी इकट्ठी हो गई है और अभी घड़ा भर गया. And now you'll see how this gap has been closed. Okay? And in this position, just थोड़ा सा पीछे जाओ सांस भरते हुए. You'll find all your abdomen area get stretched on those small joints. They are moved, they are stressed, and they are getting the exercise. Now opposite direction, little help give to the hand and go up the other side. Now your whole body has become very supple here. Okay. Now the lower portion, right? Just sitting in the position. All after I've learned from you only. Whenever my wife had some problem or I had some problems of the cervical and all. Now, just put both the fists inside here between your thighs and सांस भरते हुए अंदर, सांस छोड़ते हुए बाहर. Rule of 2. Knee. Slowly take it up, close to your chest. No force, no jerk, no speed. Just slow spring action. Down. Slowly. Now, just twice your सांस भरते हुए पंजा आगे खींचो, सांस छोड़ते हुए बीच में, सांस भरते हुए पंजा पीछे, सांस छोड़ते हुए बीच में. Repeat this. सांस भरते हुए आगे, सांस छोड़ते हुए बीच में, सांस भरते हुए पीछे, सांस. Now join both the feet. सांस भरते हुए आगे, सांस भरते हुए बीच में, और थोड़े घुटने अंदर मिलाने की कोशिश करो, हल्की. Right. Repeat this exercise. सांस भरते हुए आगे, सांस छोड़ते हुए बीच में, सांस भरते हुए पीछे, घुटने मिलाने की कोशिश करो. Right. Okay. Just relax. Three times. Opposite. Similarly this. Go down. Rule of one. ऊपर. Rule of one. सांस भरते हुए, सांस छोड़ते हुए. Rule of one. सांस भरते हुए, सांस छोड़ते हुए. ऊपर. Grip. Slowly. Both hands. Rotation. Opposite. Rotation. Opposite. Both rotation. Opposite. Hand up. Slowly go to the side. Sideways. Slowly go to the side. Right. Rotation. Now, Tadasana. Slowly rotate your hips. Slowly. On the spot, don't sway. It's a very good exercise for your swing. There's all locomotion on the ball. Go slowly. Don't move your neck. All the exercises have been done to warm up all that area. Go slowly from here. Go down slowly. And then keep increasing the speed. Focus. Ball is cut into two halves. Don't move ahead. Focus there. And go slowly. You must see the ball drop. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.
Jai Bharat.